2020 years. Was it Päärnäistenkatu?
Päärnäistenkatu.
26. In Pori, Satakunta, Finland. It was like replaced or modernized in 1991 with 10 floors here. How old is this residential building? Was it 1950s?
I'm not sure, but I can check it.
Probably about 1960, I would believe. The capacity is 10 persons of 8 recurrent. The serial number is H66819, and it's turning this replacement is turning 30 years old. Next year, 2021, when it will be inspected again. Let's be silent. Amazing sounds from the machine room. I like it very much.
Yeah.
It's actually one of the tallest original Kone elevators in Finland at the same time.
Yeah.
The 10 floors and then 12 floors I filmed at the Hotel Haven in Helsinki.
Yeah.
On H6689.
But it's not from the 1980s, it's almost 1991.
Yeah.
But still one of the tallest.
Yeah, and 16 floors in Merihaka, but only 2 are original, or not original, but still M series.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So you have filmed them?
I filmed all of them.
Yeah.
I can't
And
the
the 17th
find the
floor
construction
high
here.
ones also.
Yeah.
99, but they're novel van resistant.
Yeah.
But when we can take another ride here.
Yeah.
I press the floor. The attic floor here. Must be silent this time when we go down.
Yeah, kiva inspektointi meidän tentpaikka on.
I love the vibrations here.
Yeah, same here.
It's so late 1980s, early 1990s. And now back to the first floor.
Tarkasti kiva inspektointi Hanttu koneen toimesta.
Alright, let's go. Thank you very much for watching. We will also find this the big was original, but
I didn't find it.
that's it.
That's